packaging too. I mean, I just love it. That's so cute. Hi, I'm Gigi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about a brand, Gisou. So I went ahead and I purchased a good amount of different products from this brand. And one of the products that I started trying at home and here at the salon is their mask, Gisou honey-infused mask. It's a very nice product to work with, and I tried it with different types of hair conditions like chemically treated, curly, straight, fine, thick, perm hair. And I'm gonna tell you in which hair I found that it worked best. Now, this product, to start with, smells divine. Like, it smells so very nice. The best results that I got in this product, in this mask, was on dry hair, chemically treated hair, any type, medium, fine, and thick, permed hair that it's permed. It worked really well. Long curly hair, it worked really well. The only hair that I found that it didn't give me the results that I would have liked to, it's previously lightened and pre-lightened hair. Like bleached hair, I found that it lacked hydration. It was mainly that, pre-lightened, bleached, highlighted hair, that it's extremely dry, that it's breaking off. That hair, I just don't feel like it gave me the results that I wanted, but everything else, it did. It didn't leave the hair heavy. No, it didn't feel like there was any buildup, or it didn't feel like it left the hair flat. It just left the hair very shiny and bouncy. So if you have chemically treated hair, but it's not extremely processed, this product works really well for you. It's just if it's extremely processed and you see a lot of breakage, this, I think, would not give you the results that you're looking for. There's other brands that I would recommend for that. The smell, again, was really, really nice. it's so nice and sweet. I mean, it has so many different oils like that you can see on the website. Something to mention as well that I really loved, when you go to the website, if you have any questions about the product and about what it has and the ingredients that you like or you don't like, or that you might be allergic to some ingredients or not, I can tell you, you can go to the website and you can click on the ingredients and it gives you exactly on each ingredient, it will tell you what it does, what it's designed for on this product. I do give this product a thumbs up. I just like that they're so helpful online with the consumer. It's not a product that is inexpensive, but nonetheless, I feel like you should try it and see how it works for you. And if you have any questions, I like the support that they'll give you online for anything that you need. So I really liked it. Like I said, I'll keep using it. So I give it a thumbs up. So I hope that you found this video useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, hydrate. Always hydrate your hair. So that way you're gonna be reminded that healthy hair is shiny hair. You take care. Ciao.